Snapshot, your daily news in focus. Welcome to Snapshot, wherein we capture the day's biggest stories in sharp focus. And today we are tracking billions in bets, breakthroughs, and disruption. From smart glasses to smart money. Let's dive in. Through a glass smartly. Now, Meta is doubling down on its vision for the future, literally. After burning through 68 billion in losses over 4 years, Mark Zuckerberg unveiled the new Ray-Ban display glasses that project data into your lens and read through your hand gestures via a wristband. At $799, they're a bargain compared to the Apple's 3500 Vision Pro. But here's the strategic play. Meta believes that Apple's device dominance is vulnerable in the age of AI. With 3.5 billion daily users and operating margins that dwarf Apple's, Meta can afford to play the long game. The bet that Meta is making that superintelligence will need new interfaces beyond the smartphones, and your face is your prime real estate. The glasses aren't perfect as yet, but Meta is building the hardware before AI catches up. Call it speculation with spectacles. Game over for the public markets. Electronic Arts is going private in a $50 billion mega deal, one of the largest leveraged buyouts in the history. Silver Lake, Jared Kushner's Affinity Partners, and Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund are teaming to delist the gaming giant behind FIFA, Madden, and Battlefield. JP Morgan is arranging for over $20 billion in debt financing, and lenders are lining up. As one banker has put it, markets are at all-time highs and there is so much demand. Translation: with the money cheap and valuations rich, even $50 billion bets are looking appetizing. For Electronic Arts' 700 million user accounts, it's game on, just away from public scrutiny. Data, the new black gold. Now, Europe's AI champion Mistral just doubled its valuation to $14 billion, thanks to $1.5 billion infusion from Dutch chip giant ASML. But the CEO has another message. He's saying that public data is tapped out, the internet has been scraped clean. So where does the next frontier lie? Inside enterprises. Mistral is embedding its engineers directly into legacy companies to fine-tune the models and proprietary data, the last untapped reserve. It's a clever two-step journey. Make money from consulting services while getting access to data gold mines that will power tomorrow's AI. As CEO Arthur has put it, the future of AI development now lies inside enterprise itself. The new oil isn't underground, it's locked in corporate servers. The fountain of funding. Altos Labs raised $3 billion in 2022 to pursue something audacious: reverse aging at the cellular level. 3 years on, they've shown promise with mice partially reprogramming cells to live healthier and longer lives. The longevity biotech sector is booming. Retro Biosciences is raising $1 billion, New Limit just secured $130 million. But here's the catch. Regulators do not recognize aging as a disease, making clinical trials tricky. And skeptics point out that there has been no breakthrough drug as yet, though GLP-1 weight loss medications like Wegovy are now being rebranded as longevity medicines. The field needs its Ozempic moment, one blockbuster success to open the floodgates, as one analyst notes. Until then, it's long-term thinking for long-term living. Silicon Valley's identity crisis. Now here's an uncomfortable question for the venture capitalists. What if AI does your job better? An Oxford study tested large language models against human VCs at pointing future tech stars, and the results? Humbling. Top VC firms typically pick winners 1 in 20 times. OpenAI's GPT-5 got it right half the time. China's DeepSeek V3 6 times out of 10. The irony is delicious out here. The very technology that VCs are funding could make them redundant. But there's a catch. AI was conservative, missing many future successes to avoid the false positives. The real outliers, the truly weird bets that define venture capital, may still require human intuition. For now, at least, flesh and blood deal makers can claim that they are better at spotting oddballs who change everything. And that's your today's snapshot, from glasses that read your mind to AI that reads your resume. We are watching money flow towards the future even when the future isn't fully baked as yet. Stay curious, stay sharp, and we'll see you tomorrow for another look at the news that matters.